Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Maths. Today we are going to solve this equation. The question is 5 to the power x plus 25 to the power x plus 125 to the power x is equal to 14. Find the value of x. Let us write this equation as 5 to the power x plus 25 as 5 square to the power x plus 125 as 5 cube to the power x is equal to 14. As we know a formula x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n is equal to x to the power n to the power m. So, let us apply this formula here. So, we can write 5 to the power 2 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 2 into x is equal to 5 to the power x to the power 2. Similarly, for 5 to the power 3 to the power x, we can write it as 5 to the power x to the power 3. Let us rewrite this equation as 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2 to the power x as 5 to the power x to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 3 to the power x as 5 to the power x to the power q is equal to 14. Let us consider a is equal to 5 to the power x. Hence, we can write this equation as a plus a square plus a cube is equal to 14. Now, we will bring this 14 to the left hand side of this equation and we can write this as a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 is equal to 0. Let us apply the remainder theorem to find the value of a. If you consider the value of a equal to 0, then the equation has the value of 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 minus 14. So, it is not equal to 0. Hence, a equal to 0 is not a solution. Now, apply a equal to 1, then here 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 minus 14 is not equal to 0. Hence, this is also not a root. Now, apply a equal to 2, then 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. And hence, we can say that a minus 2 is the root for the equation a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 equal to 0. Now, let us find the other roots by simple polynomial division. Now, divide a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 with a minus 2. As you know, if we multiply a square with a, it will become a cube, then a square multiply with minus 2, that will become minus 2a square, then subtract this term, a cube minus a cube is 0, a square minus minus plus 2a square. So, it will become 3a square plus a minus 14. Now, with a, if we multiply plus 3a, then this term will be 3a square plus 3a minus 2, that is minus 6a. Subtract this term, then we can say 3a square minus 3a square is 0 plus a minus minus plus 6a, that is 7a minus 14. Now, multiplying with a with plus 7, we can say that is 7a plus 7 minus 2, that is minus 14, and when we subtract this term, the remainder will be 0. Hence, we can write this equation as a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 is equal to 0, and as we know from this polynomial division that a cube plus a square plus a minus 14 is equal to a minus 2 multiply with a square plus 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. Hence, we can write this as a minus 2 is equal to 0 or a square plus 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. Now from here we can say that a is equal to 2 and we know the value of a is 5 to the power x. Hence we will apply this value here. A is equal to 5 to the power x is equal to 2. To solve this equation, we will put log in both the sides. So we can write log 5 to the power x is equal to log 2, and hence as we know a formula, log a to the power b is equal to b log a. Hence we can write this equation as x log 5 is equal to log 2, and now we can say that the value of x is log 2 divided by log 5, or we can say that the value of x is equal to log 2 base of 5. Hence this is one answer. Let us solve the other quadratic equation here. So the equation here is a square plus 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. Hence we can say the value of a is minus b. Here minus b means this is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, that is 9 minus 4 into 1 into 7, that is 28 divided by 2a, that is 2, is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 28 is equal to minus 19. This is square root of minus 19 divided by 2. So the value of a is minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 19 divided by 2. This we can write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 and square root of minus 1 is equal to I divided by 2. And we know that a is equal to 5 to the power x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 I divided by 2. Putting log on both the sides, we can say that x is equal to log minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 I divided by 2, and the base is 5 here, and hence this is the complex solution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.